Hi everyone, today I'd like to present a carburetor with the option to connect LPG gas to a power generator. Let's see what we have here. The set includes two gaskets, choke lever and carburetor with an LPG attachment. The build quality is not bad for an AliExpress product. Reproduction is very close to the original. All the edges looks good. Everything works smoothly and without any hiccups. Let's talk about what a carburetor consists of. Here we have fuel connection, air-fuel mixture screw, gas selection valve, whether it should be natural gas or LPG. Gas pre-feed valve, we use that before start the engine. Here we have fuel drain valve. We can act in two ways, either burn the fuel or release it through the valve. The gas inlet pipe is here. It is pumped through the membrane and then goes to the engine. And the gas supply hose. The black one is a turtle stop screw. Enough tack, time to get to work. Well, that's our patient. Let's see what the old carburetor that we're going to replace looks like. That's our new carburetor. Additionally, I bought a new gas hose with a reducer. On this moment, please remember the best way to be safe is to use new products, especially when it comes to gas. Before any work, let's make sure the fuel is turned off. The next step is open the air filter cover. We have clips at the top and bottom. We take out the air filter insert, the plastic protection. We need to get to the two screws. At this point, two M6 nuts appear. For unscrew the screws, use a 10 mm wrench. The last screw, which is located at the back of the filter housing. After unscrewing the screw, we can easily disassemble the air filter housing. The next step is take off the choke lever. Next, please disassemble fuel hose. Take a container for the gasoline that will flow out of the carburetor. Unscrew the screw under the carburetor, 10 mm screw. Mine is empty because I burn all the fuel from the carburetor until it's empty. This is so good for sealing inside. I do like that every time if I finish work with any engine with the carburetor. And I don't have any problems from 15 years. Now please pull it out gently. We must disassemble turtle spring and turtle wire. Please be carefully with the spring because it can be easily damaged. Now we can pull out our carburetor. Take off the old gasket. And after that, please clean the place where that was it. Now we have clean place for the new gasket. Please put in. Next, give the new carburetor. Come check what the looks like. But looks aren't everything. It also has to work. If you are dealing with a new one, take the old one and screw the screw in all the way, counting the turns. Do the same with the new one and unscrew the given number of turns. Here I do the same what I talking about before. I have 2.5 turns. The same situation is with a black screw. Count the turns in, and on the machine count the turns out. That's everything. Later also you must do some adjustment because every carburetor is ordered from China. With the black one I have 5 turns. I do that and we check later what happened with the engine. For mount the wires you must also a little pull out the carb. We put everything back together in the same way. At this point I will leave it without comment and you will see what it looks like. For a moment I leave you with the music. The work is ready. Now we have time for the gas hose. Take the gas hose and put in on the inlet pipe. Screw the Phillips screw. I think it's the time for the work test. The best what I like. Before working on gas, we need to warm up the engine to the appropriate temperature. We start with the gasoline. If the gasoline is finished, we try to start on gas. Please hold the valve for 3 seconds and try start the engine. You see the gasoline is off. and enjoy working normal. If I turn off the valve, the engine is stopped. Let's look. Now we are trying a load test with a compressor. I don't see any problem with running on gas. Turn off the valve and stop the engine. On this moment engine is stopped. We check the last test without any load, only work engine on the gas and also stop with the valve. Everything looks good. Thank you for watching and wait till the end. Subscribe and like for more tests and see you next time. Thank you and bye bye.